We're going to do a brief video of Ford stock news today, and we've got a daily chart up here for you with a green 5-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average of Ford. And let's take a look. We can see that the stock put in a high back here in January of 2022 of about $25. Promptly dropped back down here and tested the 200-day moving average, broke through it, and entered into a bear market, where it still is today. We entered that bear market approximately early April of 2022, and came down and made a low of right around $10, $10.61. You can see that the stock pretty much does respect the 20-day moving averages. There's some exceptions, but it does a pretty good job of respecting the 20-day, and the 20-day basically was respected on the way back up in this rally in this bear market. So where we are today is we went up and we bounced off of this 200-day moving average and bounced off at August 16th at about $16.68. And the market has been, you can see it's distributing. It's also going sideways, but it's distributing definitely with a downward bent. But this is a distribution move from people who bought on this rally up, and there's no faith in this current group of buyers. There was no faith that we were going to get out of this bear market and into a bull market in Ford. So they're selling out, and you can see that lower lows, lower highs. So they're distributing here. So what does that mean for a short-term trader? Well, long-term trader, the stock's still in a bear market. We failed to penetrate the 200-day moving average, so we're still in a bear market. A short-term trader can just take a look at it and say we're below the 200, below the 20, we're below the 5, or almost below the 5, right at it. In the short term, the forecast on this stock is down probably around $13 by the last week of September. All for entertainment purposes, all my opinion, but you're looking at a high $13 stock potentially, and there's not a whole lot of resistance. Excuse me, not a whole lot of support to keep you up. So I would say that the $14, high $13 could easily be hit by this stock if we don't get a turnaround. Now, we're not in a trading range. We're in a sell-off with distribution. It looks like a trading range, but it's really not. This stock is definitely distributing, and it's definitely still trending down. We're at the top of a bear market rally. So the weight is definitely heavily, I'd say about 70%, towards this stock trading down to 14, maybe even 13.50 by the end of September, maybe a little sooner. So that's what I see in this stock right at the moment. To go the other way, we need to get probably a little dip in this stock, maybe down to 13 and to 14 and 25 cents. Get the averages turned around, get the 5-day and the 20-day below price, and rally back up to the 200. I don't see that happening right in this 2-week short period of time. I definitely think it's more towards a downside, but again, that's just my opinion and for entertainment purposes only. Let's go down and see what our RBAM research says about this stock. We have algorithmically generated prices for Ford today of 0, which means do not enter. According to this, there's no when this algorithm says 0, there's no entry prices at all, and that's not a mistake. That's just basically saying it doesn't think it's a good day to buy. Let's go down. These come out every morning before 7 a.m. 190 stocks. They're 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods, trading days, not calendar days, and they're all algorithmically generated, but they're not trend following. Let's go down and take a look at a trend following system we have for Ford. This is proprietary that we only show to it's in beta still, and we only show it to YouTube video viewers. But let's take a look. It shows Ford short position at 1474, and it's a 30-day hold, which basically means if your own analysis said that this price was any good, you could short at this price either with options or whatever you would do it. Again, for entertainment purposes only, we're not recommending anything, but roughly at this price it's recommending a short, and then it's a 30-day hold trading day. So basically, hold it 30 days, close it out at a loss, or take your profits sooner if you get them. So this trend following system, which uses a sophisticated analysis of moving averages, is indicating a short today at 1474. Let's go back and see where the price is. So we are 1496 is a high for today. So that would have triggered a short for that trend following system. Again, all for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own analysis. So that's where we are today. You can get Our algorithm can generate entry prices for 190 stocks every morning before 7 a.m. at absolutely no cost with no credit card required at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. It'll take you to RBAM Research, and you can sign up for the 190 stocks. We also cover the major forex pairs. We cover BTC crypto and the most liquid futures contracts. That's all at rbamresearch.com. Please follow the link in the description below if you want to do that. Please click the like button if you like this video. Please click subscribe, definitely, if you want some more of these. We're putting out quite a few of them. And if you have any comments on moving averages, we'd love to hear them. If you like moving averages, please let us know in the comment section below. If you can't stand them, please let us know that as well. We'd love to hear from you. And again, everything you see or hear on here, including our commentary and entry prices, is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything else. You have to do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.